Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 4th of July clean and decorate with me. This is also my summer clean and decorate with me. I know a lot of people do lemons and pineapples for like a summer theme with their decorating, but I prefer to go the patriotic route and decorate for Memorial Day and 4th of July in red, white, and blue and stars and stripes. At the end of this clean and decorate, I'll go through each of these items and let y'all know where they're from. These star blocks are from Michael's and they're really sturdy wood. I thought they were super cute. And this light strand along the bottom is from Target and it also lights up, so I'll show you in a second. I'll turn the lights off so you can see how that looks. This red, white, and blue striped heart is also from Target in the dollar spot. This star picture frame is from Hobby Lobby, and every year I put a picture from our local Memorial Day parade in there. We didn't have one this year though, so I'm just keeping last year's in there. This is what that strand looks like lit up. I think it looks pretty neat when it gets a little bit darker. Moving along to these pillow covers, which I absolutely love. These are from Amazon. They came in a 4-pack. And this is this one. I thought they were so cute for a more muted flag red, white, and blue look. This America pillow over here is from Amazon, and then this flag throw was from TJ Maxx. Moving along to the front, that flower and vase is just an arrangement that I'm keeping year round right now, and that's from Hobby Lobby. This flag, red, white, and blue welcome sign is from Michael's. This little white and tin star is from Target, and this ceramic red, white, and blue mason jar is from Michael's, and then the little flowers in it are just from the Dollar Tree. These flowers are from the Dollar Tree as well, and this little Freedom to Sparkle sign is from Michael's. I don't know why I love putting holiday kitchen towels on the oven so much, but anyways, these are from Target. In the front foyer of my house, I also have this little stool that my son sits on while he puts his shoes on. This is one of the pillows from that Amazon pillow pack, and I just put it on the back where he normally sits thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in seeing more decorating videos, I hope that you consider subscribing and sticking around, because I'll be doing some more for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. Thanks for watching. Bye.